What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're coming at you with a product review video. How you doing, Crystal?
So great, how are you?
I'm good, Super excited about these. It's not often a quality ketogenic snack comes to the market, so I'm happy to review them when they do. Let's do yours first. What you got?
Okay, we have actually a lot of these. Next Mile meals. So this one is a deli roast beef.
Deli roast beef.
We also have a curry chicken salad. Sorry.
And I spoke with the founder of this company. I sent them some bricks. They sent us some of these meals. And the cool thing about this is it's kind of like an MRE. You just add some water to it and then it cooks it, some hot water. So it's really good for like when you're camping and whatnot.
We got beef tacos. We got meatball marinara, and we also have chicken broccoli. I also opened a buffalo chicken ranch.
Yeah.
It was really, really good too. I had that already.
And another thing, just to kind of give you, the macros are kind of all over the place. Like this one's got 37 grams of fats, 7 grams of carbs, 48 grams of protein.
This one has 51 grams of fat, 11 grams of carbs, and 49 grams of protein.
This one is the beef tacos. It has 41, 5, and 40.
And the meatball marinara has 32 fat, 12 carbs, and 45 protein.
The deli roast has 28 fats, 4 carbs, and 54 protein. So a lot of these have like higher protein than fat. So what I would do, like ideally you could have one of these and a keto brick and you'd be perfect. But just to kind of give you an idea, I think I'm going to have this one today to try. Deli roast beef. Just to kind of give you an idea on the ingredients. We have freeze-dried diced beef, cooked beef dices with salt, a mayo packet, celery, mustard packet, garlic powder, Italian seasonings, and onion powder. The directions for this are open package at notch, remove oxygen absorber and condiment packets, add 10 to 12 ounces of hot, not boiling water. Stir package contents, seal it up, and let meal reheat for 7 to 10 minutes. Open it up, stir again, add packets, and enjoy. So since we have this to sample still, I'm gonna go ahead and add some hot water to this, let it be kind of heating while we're trying this one. So give us just a second to get some water going. All right, so we are back with hot water, not boiling, but hot water. And we're gonna open up this deli roast beef as the directions have so instructed us to do. We're gonna take out the condiments and the oxygen package. I think that's everything. You grab a measuring cup there, baby. It says put 10 to 12 ounces.
So, it's more in there.
Right about there. Let's put it in 10 so it's thicker.
That's it. There you go.
There we go. All right. Put in our 10 ounces of hot water. Bada bing, bada boom. Let that, we're supposed to stir it first? Sure, sure.
Now, while he's mixing that up, I'm going to talk about the contents inside. So, this has a mayo in it, and the other one that I had, the ranch, buffalo chicken ranch, had a ranch packet in there. And these aren't going to be the, avocado-based mayonnaise and ranches and stuff. This one is from Best Foods, and I think the ranch was like, I don't remember what brand it was, like maybe like Kraft or something like that. And it is going to have soybean oil or
That's
canola
the first
oil.
ingredient, soybean oil.
Yeah, so, but I mean, these are a really good option if you are on the go, or if you are camping or something like that. You don't want to bring a whole bunch of stuff, but just know that the little packets that are in there may not be the best thing. And honestly, Robert may not even use this in there.
And I'm assuming the macros that I read off are including these packets. So what I would advise this company to do is to put a more keto-friendly condiment in there, and then if you're using this and they don't have that, then I would swap those out for like a Primal Kitchen type, or just not use a condiment at all. While that's heating up, we'll open the second package, which is Let me grab my spoon knife here.
Okay. Rip it.
Yeah, there we go. So we have a mini blender. What is that? A mini blender. So,
Robert, enjoy the samples.
Enjoy the samples. Ben and Brandon. So I met Ben and Brandon at the Metabolic Health Summit, and they were just awesome, awesome people. They gave us keto matcha. They gave us...
This one's Gouda cheese, raspberry Gouda, sprouted almonds, and walnuts.
Keto coffee. They have a strawberry Gouda, sprouted almonds and pecans, and a tomato pepper jack. This is the one that I had. They gave me a sample of this at the Metabolic Health Summit. And then, what is this?
So this one says it's Gouda cheese, sprouted almonds, sprouted walnuts, raspberries, MCT oil, and cold water. Do you just eat it dry? Yeah, it's like a snack mix. That's great.
Yeah.
Tomato and pepper jack. That sounds awesome.
And the macros on this are pretty good. I mean, total fat 12 grams, total carbs 6 grams, protein 10 grams, and that's for the strawberry Gouda. I haven't had strawberry in ages. You wanna try this one, babe?
Yeah.
So, let's give it a shot here. And this is what it looks like there.
Oh.
So, pretty good. Give it a shot.
So one's cheese. I'll get one of everything. Walnut and the strawberry. Wow, I haven't had fruit in so long.
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
Yep. Wow. That's so good, guys.
It's just real food. Who would have thunk it?
Who would have thunk? That's really good.
Keto Farms.
Everyone seems to be into the matcha lately. So they have a matcha. They have a keto coffee, which has coconut oil powder, instant African coffee blend, MCT powder, heavy cream powder, Irish grass-fed butter powder, Madagascar bourbon vanilla extract, and cold water.
And they gave us a mini blender. Actually,
really?
we have hot water here. We might as well just try this.
That's awesome.
Which one you want to try? The matcha?
Yeah, I guess.
Let's just make a little deal of this since we got the hot water here.
Wow, that strawberry is so good.
The matcha is 16 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein. And it's all good ingredients.
Does it have any sweetener in it? Some matchas are made with sweetener in them. Nope, just vanilla extract, which will probably make it delicious. I generally don't like matcha, so
This is a pretty solid little blender thing too.
if I don't like this, then it's because I don't like matcha.
I don't even know if I've ever
Oh
had
my
matcha.
gosh, it smells like hot chocolate.
It does.
Oh yeah, that's delicious. That's really good. I'm very surprised. Surprised at that.
It is really, really good.
You can smell the vanilla and taste it. It's so good.
Can you grab a little bowl there, baby doll?
Madagascar vanilla extract.
All right, so huge shout out to Keto Farms. This is a win for the snack packs and for the drink.
Yeah,
Has it been about 7 minutes?
probably. I'm just gonna finish off this pack over here.
All right. So normally you would just eat this out of the bag, but for illustrative purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in there. That looks like a pretty hearty meal, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely like a hot meal while camping would be well appreciated.
Smells good. It's going down over here. Good.
I like it. I mean, it's definitely like a camping style meal. It tastes like it's been freeze dried or whatever. But like if you're out camping in the cold and you don't have anything to eat, I mean, this is the way to go.
Oh.
You like it?
That's good.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, that's really good. You don't even need these. This mayonnaise and this mustard. That's good by itself.
All right. So everything's a win here. Shout out to the companies, Keto Farms and Next Mile Meals for hooking us up. Keep making real food. Much appreciated. Thanks for sending these to us to try them.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yo, give them a shot. So I guess to find these people, it's just Keto Farms and then Next Mile Meals. You should be good to go.
.com?
Probably.
Yep,
Yeah.
nextmilemeals.com and ketofarm.com.
Yeah, I'm assuming ketofarm.com. All right. Thank y'all again. Have a good one.